Okay, well here are the new chords for week 3. They're the D chord, the G chord, and the A7 chord. And you can see on here the suggested fingers that I show for this. Okay, this week we have 3 chords. Those are the D, G, and A7. Okay, and you saw the chord chart for those. My suggested fingering is to use these 3 fingers on these 3 strings, 2nd fret for my D. If you have a very tiny ukulele or big fingers or both, then you might only need 2 fingers to hold those down. Or you might even only need 1. Just depends what works for you. Some people even like to reach around with their thumb, play like that. I find that very awkward myself, so I don't do it, but you'll see that in some videos. So, there's the D. Next is the G. If we look at our G7 that we did last week, first finger here, and then these 2 fingers right here on the 1st and 3rd string, 2nd fret. If you just put your baby finger down, you got a G. If you lift your baby finger, you got a G7. Baby finger back down, G. I like that kind of approach because it's easy to switch between the G and the G7. You can try other fingerings. Some people like to play their G like this. They hold these 3 strings down with 1 finger and then they just use another finger. Notice how I'm using my baby finger to help push down that ring finger. That's one way to do it, but I find when I'm switching to other chords, I've got a lot of work to do, so that's why I like to just use those 3. You can really easily switch between the G7 and the G. I can also switch fairly quickly to the D. See how I'm playing the G here? Then I can just very quickly go to my D. Minimal movement means I'm going to be able to get there fairly quick. Okay, and then our last chord is the A7. That's the bonus for today. It's the easiest chord. So let's try going through these. Start with the D. G. A7. Back to the D. And the G. Let's try the G7. Just lay that finger down. And back to the G. And then the A7. Okay, so practice getting comfortable switching between those chords. Find a fingering that works for you, and then you'll be ready to try the songs. Okay, bye for now.